Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by establishing safety and permission. First, confirm you're cleared by a clinician if you had sudden hearing loss or intense vomiting, otherwise proceed. Once done, set a safe space, clear obstacles, put on supportive shoes, and have a chair or partner nearby. Make sure you have a timer and water. These steps protect you during head and balance drills. They also reduce fall risk, so you can focus on retraining the vestibular system from the first repetition. You now perform the central retraining work. Start gaze stabilization. Fix your eyes on a small target and move your head side to side about 20 to 30 degrees for 1 to 2 minutes. Repeat 3 times daily to improve vestibular reflexes. Once comfortable, add Brandt-Daroff habituation sets, 5 controlled repetitions each side twice daily, to reduce motion sensitivity. Then layer balance tasks, single leg stands and heel-toe walking, progressing to eyes closed only when stable. This builds compensation and confidence. Keep movement. You finish with a calm cool-down and monitoring plan. Slow neck stretches and 5 minutes of rest help reduce leftover dizziness. Hydrate and avoid abrupt head turns for the next 30 minutes. Make sure to log symptoms and triggers daily so you can safely increase exercise speed or duration week by week. If symptoms consistently worsen, you develop double vision, weakness, or numbness, or exercises provoke severe vomiting, stop immediately and consult your clinician. Those are key red flags that need urgent evaluation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.